Humanitas for the 2019 batch. Some of you are refusing to, I think, fill the form. But anyway, can I ask if there are any comments, at least on the final Humanitas, about the program or anything you would like to share with us about the program, about this program from the students, first of all. Oh, okay, there's a student who wants to talk. That's so great. Here she is. Okay, this is nice.
So thank you for the opportunity to speak. I think I have to admit a bit sheepishly that before coming today, I had almost no idea about Rabindranath Tagore except for the name. So I was enlightened by what was discussed today, and I learned a lot. And I learned that I actually, enjoy his creations, which I didn't expect to coming here. And I think that it really illustrates what Humanitas does for us. I think that, from my perspective, as I grow older, I feel like I get rewarded for focusing on one thing and being like super productive in that way. And I lose the time and the opportunity to, just learn about things for the sake of learning about things and being curious. So I think the Humanitas program itself, with each successive version, how it has, scaled up and become so, so diverse items and diverse mediums and diverse experiences. And I think it really comes down to, all the performers from our batch, as well as, from outside as well, who have taken their time and energy to come here and perform for us. So I think, it's very important to say that on behalf of the whole batch that we appreciate that so much. And I think a special thanks has to go to Santosha Madam for her dedication and meticulous organization. I have also participated in, I think, one Humanitas, and also as an audience member, I have just seen the tip of the iceberg of all the work that goes into organizing Humanitas. So I think that we are very grateful as a batch for this opportunity as well. And on a closing note, considering that this is, such a bittersweet moment, the last Humanitas for our batch, if somebody were to ask me, what is Humanitas about, what have you all been doing for, these 2 hours, every few weeks, what have you been doing? I think I'll have to borrow a Pali phrase and say to that person, Ehi Passiko, come and see, it's all worth exploring.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Any comments, sir? Sandagombi sir or Pandaka sir?
Thank you for inviting me, because especially of course Panduka, Saroja, Santosha, and I think Tagore had a dream for a better world. So that's something that always Tagore emphasized, always ask for a better world, and also be a complete human being. So that is one of the primary kind of objectives of this program. I'm so happy as a person coming from Faculty of Arts, and also like mixing with your faculty members, and hope that we'll continue. And again, thanks to your committee and the staff for bringing Rabindranath Tagore. So, because my association with Rabindranath Tagore is partly administrative, because I was the former director of this center and was instrumental in celebrating his Tagore birthday 150th anniversaries, and also work with so many other, like I can remember Professor Panduka and the others also participated in many activities at that time. So thank you very much for bringing this aspect as part of Humanitas. All the best.
Thank you, sir. We thank Professor Sandagombi Poppalhera, all the fantastic performers, the speakers, our own and invited, and my friend Yamuna. We are doing this since we are 6 years. Makeshift acting, so it's a bittersweet moment again for us as well, and all the invited artists, and Tushara and Prasad and Devaka, without whom this Humanitas program can never be here. So please give a round of applause to Prasadam Devata and the AV unit dedicatedly recording all this. So I want to say a special thank you to Santoshi and our chairperson, Professor Deepthi Fernando and Pandita sir and Sarab sir, who are constant supporters of the Humanitas program. I especially thank the 2019 batch who has, even in other Humanitas programs not relevant to this batch, had enthusiastically nourished this program. It became a student-led program because of the 2019 batch. So it's they are very special to me from the perspective of Humanitas. So it's 3:15, I think, time to go with me. Sir, any final thoughts? No, you're okay? All right. Sarab sir, you're okay? You're not going to say anything? Okay. All right. So then we say goodbye from the Humanitas stage to the 2019 batch. So please fill the feedback form, send us your comments so that we can be better because of you. Thank you so much.